Hey Internet, Harris here, and today we're taking a look at an awesome desk accessory for back to school students or just for anybody looking to revamp their desk. This is great for organization and for productivity, and for anybody with an iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone 10, or any Android or other wireless charging device. If you own one of those, this is going to be absolutely perfect. So let's go ahead and take a look exactly what I'm talking about and to see if it's worth your desk space. So this is a 3-pocket solution for your desk. It only comes in black and it has some nice white stitching around the edges, and it is kind of a fabric faux leather type feeling, but it's nice and it's clean. It's got 3 pockets. The main one would be in theory for your pens, your pencils, something like scissors or anything that would fit nicely inside of there. You could really put whatever you wanted, but for me, putting all my pens, because I am a pen addict, that is perfect for me, and it fits a lot of pens. Now the other 2 pockets can fit whatever you wanted. For me, this could easily fit a portable charger, a portable SSD, my computer glasses, my AirPods, another couple external SSDs. You could put some notepads, sticky notes, any type of small notebooks, whatever you wanted to put in there, it would fit, and it does a really good job of hiding everything in there. But then the star of this is what is to the right. This is a full speed wireless charger for your Android phone or your iPhone. You just throw your phone on with or without the case and it will start charging. The nice thing is that this cable is built in, and you can either have it come out of the right side of the device, or you can have it coming out of the back of the organizer, because there is a hole for it, so you can do whatever looks best for your setup. This is awesome because you can just dock it there. It puts it in a nice stand. It's hidden and tucked out of the way, but you can still grab it easily if you need to get to it. This organizer will definitely make it to my new dorm, because it will be a staple for organization and for charging my phone. I highly recommend it. For 30 bucks. It is absolutely a steal, and I'm really happy I got the chance to review this because I give it 5 out of 5. It is super convenient, and I haven't seen many others on the market like this. And additionally, this company has kind of a ridiculously thick battery case for the iPhone 10. It is 5,000 milliamp hours, so it's going to really charge it and protect it. The case charges with USB-C at the top, so it's going to be fast, but at the bottom it leaves the lightning port open, so that when you have your phone in here, you can still use it with your headphone adapter or your charger. But this case charges and charges your iPhone wirelessly, so that you can just put your phone in here and it will wirelessly charge your phone. And then when you're done, you can put this case on the wireless charger and you'll be charging both the case and the phone. So that's kind of cool. If you want to check this out, I'll leave a link in the description. I'm obviously a big fan of this, and subscribe if you want to see my dorm setup video in a few weeks once I have everything set up. Anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my new lifestyle channel as well as to this one. Thanks for watching.